Hi guys, it's Nunu, your friendly teacher guide, and I'm here with you in discussion 1, Tennessee Williams play A Streetcar Named Desire, 1947, scenes 1 through 6, 1,000 words, 50 points. Okay, so let's survey this assignment. We have about this assignment, the video here that you're watching now and listening to, and we have below it a Schmoop Freytag's video right here that relates to this assignment, and we have an illustration of Freytag's pyramid. Scrolling down the screen, we have 3 links: a timeline, the assignment purpose, and the discussion rubric, which you'll want to click on and read. And we also have a part 1 and a part 2. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click on the timeline with you because it's extremely important. Canvas allows me to list only one due date, but my assignments usually have 2 parts, a part 1 and a part 2, and you need to pay attention to the timeline. Okay, so for discussion 1, post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think you won't be able to meet this timeline, then email me immediately right here in the Canvas inbox and let me know what's going on, and I'm going to, of course, see if I can help you in any way. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, and it will take me back into discussion 1. Please read the assignment purpose, what we're doing in this assignment, what our aims are, and our discussion rubric, which is incredibly important. This is how I grade you for this assignment. All right, I'm going to read part 1 with you. Watch the Freytag's pyramid video at the top of the screen. Where is it? It's right below our video. It's right here. So after you watch the video, then in 750 words, 3 pages, answer the questions below about scenes 1 through 6 of Tennessee Williams' 1947 play, A Streetcar Named Desire. And the link to the play is right here. If for any reason the link doesn't work, and there's always that chance as things on the internet move around, simply go into Google and type in Tennessee Williams' name and the title of the play, and you'll be able to pull up the text right away. Okay, so I'm not going to read these 3 questions with you. I'm going to let you read them on your own, but I'm going to point out to you that you have links in these questions for any of these terms. These terms are in the Schmoop Freytag's pyramid video, but I've also included them in our questions. Okay, so what is part 2? Part 2, write a minimum of 125 words, half of a page in response to 2 peers' postings for a total of 250 words, 1 page. What should you write about? Compare your answers to the questions with your peers' answers, so your answers to these questions. Okay, so we do have a word count in here. It's 1,000 words. It's extremely important because we have a word count in this course. All right, I'm going to come over here to inbox again and encourage you to email me if anything's not clear in this assignment, if you want to chat about it. You're never ever bothering me when you email me. You're never emailing me too much. If you don't understand an assignment or you have a concern, I'm here and I care about your learning. Okay, let's have fun with this assignment, and I think you'll enjoy reading scenes 1 through 6 of Tennessee Williams' 1947 play, A Streetcar Named Desire, especially if you haven't read it before. It's a very wonderful play. Okay, I'm going to wish you well. Have fun with this assignment. And remember, I'm here in inbox, and I care about your learning.